FLR community. I hope everyone is well and having an incredible day as always. And in this video, we're actually going to look at FLR drops. Now, FLR drops is the latest product to be offered by FLR Finance. Granted, it is on the cost and test network, but it's a great way to really start using it and get a feel for the platform itself. FLR drops is going to allow you to buy and sell NFTs, but also create them as well. So this, as I said before, is launched on Coston, and FLR Finance have actually released this document which is really comprehensive and will allow you to get set up on Coston and get the necessary test tokens. And that's whether you're using a Bifrost wallet, a Decent wallet, or even MetaMask. Now, I'm not going to walk through this document step by step because that is not really the point of this video. It's really simple, and I am going to leave a link for this particular website in the description. One thing that I will note is that there is a Faucet, and what does this mean? Well, it's basically a place where you can request tokens. Now, this is the point of the cost and test network. It doesn't have any value like Songbird, which is the canary network for FLR, because you can endlessly print the native asset, and this is actually called CFLR. All you have to do is get your wallet address, copy it, and paste it in here, and click on request, and you can see that I've already done this, but shortly after you will receive some test tokens, and you can do this an unlimited amount of times. It does say wait 24 hours, but yes, effectively you can do this as many times as you like, and that's what makes the token worthless and all assets on the Coston testnet. This network is designed purely for testing. It does not hold value. So once you've done that, we're ready to get started. So let's jump in. So this is FLR drops, and as you can see, the styling is very consistent with the other products which FLR offer. You can find them in the top left here on the menu bar. The Explore is basically the homepage. We have a search bar, which is very handy, and it actually works really well. We have this plus icon, which is for those who may want to add artwork or NFTs to the platform. A notification section, which is coming soon. And finally, the wallet, which is connected to the Coston testnet. And as you can see in this particular wallet, I have 97 CFLR remaining. If we scroll down here, we can see the top collections, which I believe may be on a 24-hour period. We also have the top collectors who's been spending the most money, and yes, a number of different NFTs. Now, I'm going to walk you through the process of buying an NFT. It's very simple, and we're going to start with this one here. So this is the collection. It's called Samurai Drops. Pretty funny. This guy's a little bit of a joker, obviously, and you can see various statistics about the collection here. Items 3, owners 26, the highest sale is 100 CFLR, the floor price is 5 CFLR, and finally the 7-day volume, which is just under $17 US. Now, don't get it twisted, this volume is not real. I imagine it's using the FTSO to connect to the price of Songbird maybe, but yes, everything on this network, the cost and test network, is essentially worthless. Okay, now we can look at some of the NFTs here. We have the Flintstein one, Hoggo, and I don't give a something animal one. So I think I'm actually going to look at this particular animal here. Looks pretty funny in my opinion. And we're going to make a purchase. So you can see that their royalties are set at 10%. And what we're going to do is click on purchase, type in the number of editions. We're just going to get one, and you can see the price here, and also the service fee, which is set at 2.5%. So click on purchase and then confirm. And if we just give that a short second, There we go. We have the confetti explosion, and we have just bought a I don't give a beep animal 1. Perfect. So we may want to see that in our wallet. Click up here and I guess manage collections. Nope. Yeah, here we go. And we can click on 1 at the top, owned, and there we have it. That's our NFT that we just bought on the Cost and Test network. Now, what you're also able to do is create NFTs of your own, and you can click on this plus button here and add a new collection. So there are 2 different ERC20 standards here. You've got ERC 721 and ERC 1155. And FLR Finance have created an incredible article which again explains this in a lot of detail. For this particular example, I'm just going to create this one here, ERC 115. I'm going to keep it very simple. FLR community in the collection name, and let's just keep it FC. I'm going to continue with that and sign the transaction. We're going to look at the collection avatar, choose a file here, and give me a second. Let me find something. That'll do. Collection cover. I'm not going to bother with that at the minute. Actually, yeah, let's bother with that. That'll do. And yeah, what we're going to do here is click on the description, FLR community collection, keeping it basic, and click on continue to royalties. So the royalties go to the address which you want to receive royalties from every time someone makes a secondary sale. You can see it here. So again, this is not really that important. I'm just going through this just to show you. You can add an address and let's set a royalty at 2%. Create the collection and click on confirm. And I guess in a second, we will have created the collection. There we go. So this is the collection, but we also now need to add items into the collection. So click on this, mint an item into this collection. We're going to choose a file. Let's click on this absolutely legendary one here. I'm going to click on continue. Let's just call it Rocket. And description. FLR community. Rocket NFT. In fact, let's go something like that. Number of copies, let's say 100. Properties, you can add properties if you like. For sale, fixed price, let's say it's 50. And number of editions, I don't know. Let's put 50 on sale, why not? And that's pretty much it. You can set the royalties for this. So by default, royalties follow the collection setting. However, this setting can be overwritten at the item level. So if there is a particular NFT that you would like to receive more commission from, then you can certainly do that. So just as an example here, you can copy this one here, paste it in and say that this particular collection this particular item, I want to receive 5% royalties. So let's create the collection. That's pretty much it. Click on confirm. There we have it. Perfect. Item created. So this is basically the NFT which we just created, and it is now for sale. So that pretty much sums up the basic functionality of FLR drops. I will be doing a future follow-up video once this does launch on Songbird, but please do have a play around with it. I know the people over at FLR Finance will certainly appreciate it. The more users that test it, the better analytics that they can get from this product, and they can implement various fixes before bringing it over to Songbird. So I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.